Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Voice of Success. Today, I am going to share one business opportunity where you can earn a very exciting offers and 5 lakhs income within 30 days. And you can also get a 9 types of profits from day first. So, what is this opportunity and who is giving this opportunity? The total details I am going to share with you. So, please listen carefully and I am going to show you with live proofs and live calculations so you can take these benefits from day first. You can start earning income. Okay, friends. So when coming to company name is Freedom 100. First of all, I am showing you company legalities. And Freedom 100 is Indore, Madhya Pradesh company. This company is running successfully since 2.5 years. Okay, so here you can see all the legal documents, and if you need these all details, I will give you in description. I will give you one link. You can download from there, or else in description I will drop my WhatsApp number. Once you pin me on WhatsApp number, I will share you these details. So now Freedom 100 is an service providing company. So whatever the services you are using in day to day life, the same services you need to use from Freedom 100. Why you should use from Freedom 100 means whether if you are doing these services like mobile recharge, DTH recharge, online shopping, insurance from outside, there is no guarantee that you are going to get cashback or not. There is no guarantee. But if the same services, A to Z services, shoppings, insurance, clothing, traveling, hotel booking, in XYZ, if you do the same service from Freedom 100, you are going to get 3 to 15%, 100% guaranteed cashback for lifetime. So to enjoy this cashback, we need to take a membership in Freedom 100 with 354 rupees. So if you take a 354 rupees membership, you are going to get a 300 rupees cashback immediately. So your investment is zero. So now with zero investment, the trick which I am going to share you, with that trick you can make 5 lakhs income and you can earn 20 lakhs worthable car also. So by taking a membership, you can use A to Z services whatever we are given here, and we made a small calculation. So within a 1 year, if you take a membership with 354 rupees, you can save up to 5000 rupees. Averagely we have made, but you can save more than this. Okay, so likewise everyone need to save income, and everyone is using these services. To ask your friends to convert to Freedom 100 and you can make earnings. So now Freedom 100 has removed one offer. So that what is that offer, and what how we can achieve this offer? So if you join with 354 rupees, and if you make a small team also, small work also, you can make you can win a 5 lakhs income, and you can win this luxurious awards reward. So this offer is applicable from 19th July to 1st September. Means from today there is a more up to 32 days remains. So you can start working from today and you can take this benefit. So why should we join with 354 means you can check here, you can get every on every transaction, every cash 100% you are going to get a cashback. And Freedom 100 is giving providing you 9 types of income. So today we are going to discuss about only offer. So what is this offer, and this offer I am going to share you, friends. So for example, if you join with 354 rupees and you can take 9 types of profit. So for example, I will show you on this image. Okay, so if you join with 354 rupees and if you recommend the same service to your friends, so in between time 19th July to 1st September, if you make 20 direct joinings, means if you recommend these services to your friends, so you are going to win Bluetooth headphones. So at the same time, these 20 members, ask these 20 members to do the same work. So what I am teaching to you, the same work you need to teach to your friends, or else forward this video to your friends and ask them to join with your link, and they will be also doing the same work. If these 20 members do the same works, and in second level, at least minimum 200 members joining, means you are going to win a washing machine. So in from 200 members, if they do 20 members, you are going to get a 4000 members. And if third level, at least minimum 4000, if you have a team, then you are going to get a 70,000 rupees bike. So if you in fourth level, if you get for 80,000 IDs, then you are going to win a Tata Harari car worth of 20 lakhs. Okay, friends, so you can make with single id. So if you feel this team is going very lengthy, so it's quite difficult. If you feel, I will tell you another trick. If you follow the trick, you are going to get this beautiful offer. So according to this offer, if you make a 2020 joinings and everyone keeps on doing 2020 members, means you are going to win this luxurious awards rewards, and also you are going to get a win income. So for example, if you make 20 members, on each member you are going to get 110 rupees. So 20 into 110, 2100. And in second level, if you have 400 members team, on each member you are going to get 11 rupees. Means almost it's 4,400 rupees. And in third level, 40 4000 members, On each member you are going to get 9 rupees, so 36,000 rupees is your income. And in fourth level 80,000 team, and on every person you are going to get 6 rupees, so 4 lakhs 80,000 rupees. So altogether more than 5 lakhs income you can make here. So level income you can check here. We made a 3 by 3 matrix team. On every member you are going to get first level 110 rupees, second level 9 rupees, and third level second level 11 rupees, third level 9 rupees, and fourth level 6 rupees. So according to this level income, you can make 5 lakhs income, and plus you can win a luxurious awards rewards. So if you feel the team is very big, then I will tell you one suggestion. So work according to this, and you can make a huge profit. And from day first, you can eligible for this offer. So what should you do means, you should join with 354 rupees with your upliner link. Means in description I will give you my link. You can join with link, or else whoever sending you the link, click on that link and you can join with them. And after joining that, take your ID. With your ID, you need to come with 20 IDs. So 20 IDs into 354 means 7,080 rupees. So by investing 7,080 rupees, whatever the profit you are getting means these 9 types of benefits you can enjoy from day first, and almost your amount 100% you are going to get back. So I will explain you one by one, step by step. So you are entering with 20 IDs, and these all IDs belongs to you. So on every ID you are going to get 110 rupees. So 20 into 110 means 2,200 rupees you are going to get. And in 118 rupees, because company is giving more total 8 types of income. So we are joining with 354 rupees means 118 plus 236. So in 118 rupees plan, you are going to get auto pull income of 12,490 rupees. Okay, so once you complete 20 IDs, you are going to get from company turnover daily 20% income will be shared up to 12,490 rupees. You are going to get this income. And in 236 plan, on every IDs you are going to get auto pull income 30,500 in 2 by 2 matrix. You can check it here. Okay, in 2 by 2 matrix up to 10 levels, on every ID you are going to get 30,500 rupees. Means here you are going to get 30,000 into 500 into 20 IDs means 6 lakhs 10,000 rupees you are going to get income. And once you complete the 20 direct joinings, you are eligible for royalty income. So royalty income 5% on company turnover daily. And every idea I have already said you, if you join with 354 rupees, you are going to get 300 rupees cashback. So 20 IDs into 300 means almost 6,000 rupees you are going to get cashback. And this cashback you can use for any services. Freedom 100 is giving multiple services. And weekly offer 1770 rupees I will show you. And you are going to get lifetime rewards also. Apart from these rewards, washing machine, bike and car, apart from these rewards, Freedom 100 is providing lifetime rewards also. You can win that rewards also. And in bonanza offer, once you complete 20 direct joinings, you are eligible for Bluetooth headphones that's worth of 1,000 to 2,000 rupees. And you are also winning a Freedom 100 shirt also. So I will show you one by one offer. This is a weekly offer. So in 118 rupees, once you complete 20 direct joinings, okay, so you are going to get 590 rupees pins. So if you want to use this pin for new joining, you can use it, or else you can send this pin to your upline. They will send you 590 rupees. So in 236 rupees plan, if you join with 20 IDs, you are going to get 944 rupees pin and 236 pin. So we are working in these two plans, both together 354 rupees. Okay, 118 plus 236 means 354 rupees. So we are joining with 354 rupees, or we are both eligible for this opportunity. So total benefit is 1770 rupees. You can calculate, which I am showing here. Okay, 1770 rupees your income. And you can also win Freedom 100 shirt and 500 rupees gift. Okay, with the 354 rupees combo plan, if you join, you are going to get Freedom 100 shirt. So we have already entered with the 20 IDs here, so we are eligible for this gift offer also. Okay friends, so and next is lifetime awards rewards. In 236 plan we have awards and rewards. You can check it. You can hear, you can on headphones, additional headphones, power bank and watch also. Okay, and if second fifth level completes also, if you can win LED TV. And same offer we have in 118 rupees. Okay, so you can win Amazon gift voucher, Amazon gift voucher. Okay, and you can also, if you try more a little bit harder, so you can also win a mobile phone also. So lifetime all rewards also you are going to eligibility. So these all kinds of offer your eligibility. Okay, so if you work with multiple IDs, okay, if once you join with if you make a 20 IDs of yourself, and if ask every members to do self IDs, so every person is getting 2200 rupees plus 1770 rupees, almost 4000 rupees you are getting back immediately. And 1000 rupees power Bluetooth headphones means 5000 rupees you are getting immediately back, plus 500 rupees worthable shirt and 500 rupees gift voucher. And minimum if you take 20 to 30 rupees daily royalty income we are getting, so at least if you calculate with 20 rupees also, almost you are going to get a 600 rupees. So once you are investing 7080 rupees, your investment almost 6000 rupees is investment will be back immediately. So with investment of 1000 rupees, again you are eligibility for you are going to use A to Z services from Freedom 100 from day first. 6000 rupees cashback you are getting, plus auto pull income 6 lakhs income, and a non-work income 12490 rupees. So these three offers also you can start enjoying from day first. Okay friends, so likewise you can enjoy this beautiful offer opportunity, and if every one persons can move with this 2020 IDs, you are also going to get these 9 benefits from day first, and you can also enjoy this luxurious awards rewards. Okay, and make if you make a team a little bit harder, so you are going to get 5 lakhs plus income also. So this is a beautiful opportunity friends. We have 32 days time more, from up to September 1st we have offer. So please don't miss the offer, keep working on from day first. And if you have any more doubts, I have in description I have my number, or else whoever sharing this video to you, videos and audios, contact them and take more information, get a clarity about the total plan, and you can keep move forwarding. So Freedom 100 is already legal company, genuine company, it's running from since 2.5 years, and you can take a more and more benefits from Freedom 100. So wish you good luck friends, all the best. If you have any doubts, you can comment or you can contact, and you can take more informations, and have a happy earning with Freedom 100. Thank you.